For some of your assignments, you're going to be required to create a Venn diagram or create a web chart. And here I'm just going to show you how to use PowerPoint to create these. I found in the past that PowerPoint's the easiest way to create these, but if you want to do other forms or other programs or online programs, that's fine too. This is just showing you the easiest way to do it that I found. So first you'll want to go to Insert when you're in PowerPoint. You'll want to go to Shapes and use the circle. And so first we'll show you a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is one circle overlapped by a second circle. Oops. One circle overlapped by a second circle. And then what you want to do is you want to double click on it or go to Drawing Tools and Format. In your shape fill, you want no fill because you want to be able to see inside of these circles. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to put a text box for this column. So this will be column A. You want to insert a text box over here for column B, and you also want to insert a text box right here, and we'll call it similar. So for a Venn diagram, what it is you want whatever it is in column A, whatever column A is, you can put a title up top here, or you can, actually that would probably be the best, so you'll title it and we'll say title A, and you want to insert and put a text box here for title B. And in column A, you're going to list all the things that are unique about whatever you're talking about in title A. In column B, you're going to list whatever is unique about title B. And in the middle, you're going to list everything that's similar between the two sections. And that's where you can see it overlaps. So that's how you would create a Venn diagram, and that's how Venn diagrams work. So I'll create a new slide. And here we're going to talk about web charts. The easiest way to create a web chart is actually if you click on Insert and go to Smart Art, and you go to Cycle, there is an option to create it's called a basic radial or a diverging radial, sorry. So you can go to basic radial, click OK, and then what you can do is, oops, you can move them around obviously. So this text would be your main point or your topic, and then all the text around it would be subpoints. Oops. So you have subpoints in all the four surrounding. What you can do is you can change colors to make it a little bit more appealing. Obviously you want to make it so it's still readable, so you could do something like a colorful one just to break them all apart. And if you find that you need more than 4 subpoints, you can go over here and go Add Bullet. Oops. Sorry. Or you just, go to the lowest one and just press Enter, and it will add points. And as you can see, it's giving them all a different color and all connecting them back to the main point. So that's how you do that part. And there you have your web chart, and then as easy as saving it and uploading it into Canvas under the correct area. If you have any other questions about this, contact your teacher, but if not, continue on with creating your charts using these tutorials.